We love UAE. We love UAE. We love UAE. We love UAE. UAE. We love you. UAE. We love you. जी दोस्तों जे तज मां मौजूद आहियां मेजर मोहम्मद उमर साहब जी मजलिस ते अॼु दावत ॾिनी असां सिंधी कम्यूनिटी सां ऐं सभु दोस्त हिते मौजूद आहियूं असां नई मुहिम शुरू कई आहे वी लव यूएई जे नाले सां असां सभु दोस्त मौजूद आहिनि आई वांट टॉक टू मेजर मोहम्मद उमर थैंक यू सो मच यू आर इनवाइटेड अस एंड वी लव यूएई एंड talking about our community in the one small city.
Thank you for coming my home. Thank you for bringing my flag. This is amazing. You did something really nice. You make all my friends here happy. And we love also Pakistan too much. Emirat and Pakistan we like brother and sister. And inshallah we'll cooperate for long life inshallah. Forever.
So we love UAE and we love Pakistan. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I love you too. I love you all. I love Pakistan.
Thank you so much. You are welcome. You give for me. Thanks.
Ready?
Hello, we love UAE. We love UAE.
Thank you. Again, we are coming to stand up. We love UAE. We love UAE. We love UAE.
And we love
Yeah.
also Germany.
Thank you.